Hello everyone. So today is Saturday and I do not work and I'm so happy. I'm gonna do like a lot of errands, so I decided to take you guys along with me. So today I'm gonna buy more work clothes, work outfits, because I don't have a lot of them. And I need to wash my car. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today though, maybe tomorrow, Sunday. I need gas. So yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of errands today, and we also need to buy a few other stuff for the bathroom. I don't know if I had told you guys, but we're constructing the bathroom. I'm currently filming a separate video on that. And yeah, it's almost done. We just need some small details, like putting the sink and the shower door, and yeah, just small details. And like me and my sister are gonna buy some wicker baskets and yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, okay, without further ado, let's begin. We got the goods. Here's a sneak preview of our food. I'm so excited. So this is what I ordered. I ordered salmon, tomato, onions, whatever this is, lettuce, lemon, and bagel. I made coffee, and as you can see, it's a Goofy cup. Time to enjoy my food. Okay, so just ignore the back right now because I'm just gonna separate my blankets and so I can finally wash them. Oh, okay, and so after I separate these, I'm gonna show you guys what I got yesterday. I almost forgot. Okay, all right, I'm gonna speed this video up because I wanna listen to some music right now. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I went to two places, and first place I went to was Target. First place I went to was TJ Maxx. And for TJ Maxx, I got a lot of items. I mostly went there for like work clothes, and I got like a mixture of stuff because there were a lot of cute items. Okay, so let's just begin because I bought a lot of outfits. First shirt is, okay, this isn't a work clothes, but this one's cute. I got this cute pink shirt. It's 2 pieces, and then this little, I guess a cardigan, like this little sweater, and this outer shirt has a cute bow on it, and I love it. It's really cute. How much was this? $9.99. Not too bad for like 2 pieces. Not bad, but this isn't for my work clothes. It's just for everyday. Another everyday clothes was this shirt with this cute outer shirt. It's floral style. It's really cute and beautiful. So I don't normally grab, like, this isn't my style. My style is usually like these types of shirt, but I wanted to try something new and different. And it's a cute style, yeah. And other thing I got was this shirt. This shirt is for my work clothes. It's covered. It's a beautiful. It has a beautiful, and it's such a beautiful color. And this shirt is also for my job. I got a lot of, like, overall I have a lot of polka dot shirts in my closet for like work, but like it's okay. It's fine if I get more. It is just simple polka dot shirt. Looks nice, looks professional. I needed more professional outfits because I normally have graphic tees or these types of shirts. And then this one is also for work. See, another polka dot shirt. I just really like polka dot, I guess. Oh, okay, no, this is for like every day. The black shirt, you know. It goes a little bit above my belly button, but I have high-waisted pants that would look cute with this. I got a lot of stuff at TJ. Oh my god, I haven't shopped in a while. That's why I went a little bit crazy. And then this is my everyday outfit. This simple black shirt, muscle tee. I really like shirts that have this style, this color buttons for some reason. I don't know. I just like it. It looks nice. And then last but not least, for clothes, as you can hear in the background, oh, my dad's fixing up our bathroom. That's why there's a lot of noise happening. The last clothes related outfit I got was this shirt. And it's also for my job. It's a little bit long, but I don't mind it being long. Okay, so I got another few things at TJ. Give me a second. I got this lunchbox. It's pretty big. Hopefully it fits in the refrigerator where I put it in. But yeah, I've been using my sister's, and I think it was time to buy a new one. But I like the fact that it's like has zipper, it's very it's very spacious. It's nice, and it came with its own little containers. But normally I don't like these containers because they don't seal tightly as I want it to. And it comes with this little, what is this, like a nice pack. And another item I got was this trash can. It's for our bathroom, and it looks like actual trash can, you know, the old school trash cans. So yeah, it's white, it's pretty. And the last thing I got was this soap dispenser. It's for our half bathroom. So those are all the stuff I bought at TJ. And next place I went to was Macy's. I got a lot of stuff there. Okay, so the first thing I got at Macy's was this beautiful Levi's. I don't even know what they're called. The Responsibly Original Style San Francisco Cal. They usually have this. It's like, I normally don't wear these types of pants, but it's different. I like this design and the belt here. It's really cute. They usually have this name of it though.
Original Style Responsibility Made.
The side here it's called a jet set taper. I think a jet set taper is this style. But yeah, it's not for work, but I really wanted to try something different and new. And I've seen my sister wearing some of these pants like this, and it looks cute on her, so I'm like, I want to look cute too. So yeah, I bought these pants. Next thing I bought were 2 cardigans for my work, and it's this gray one. And I got a pink one. Levi jeans for work as well. And I got more Levi jeans, or just one more. How many Levi jeans? Oh, 3? I thought I got more. And some black ones. I've never owned any black jeans before, so I mean, I have owned like lighter faded ones, but not actual like dark, not actually dark jeans. So I'm so happy that I bought these. Last thing I got at Macy's was this sweater. It's very soft. I like it. The brand is called Kingston Gray. It's this one right here. So that is all I got for Macy's. I'm gonna start separating these clothes so I can also wash them. And then after that, I'm gonna start cleaning my room because it is messy. Oh, it's gonna be a busy day, everyone. All right, let's keep going. So this is my first mess. I have a lot of stuff here. I've been accumulating items. During the weekday I work, so stuff never gets clean. So yeah, okay, I'm just gonna, ooh, it's a little too high. Okay, a little bit better. Woo. Okay, so, and I'm gonna start cleaning, hopefully throw some stuff, fingers crossed, and I'm gonna put this away finally so it might look a little bit more cleaner. It is a lot more organized and cleaner, and as you can see, there's like finally space here, and it still looks messy, but I technically use all these stuff, so it's fine. But yeah, one down, so many more to go. Yeah, I still have to do this. My 2 nightstands that's over here, and this. This is gonna take a minute. I'm not gonna record fully because I'm already in 1% battery again. So I'm gonna charge it and then show you guys after. All right. And this is the update. It looks a lot more cleaner. Yeah, it looks nice. I'm happy. Okay everyone, so it is the next day and I forgot to end this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my weekend vlog. And if you like these types of vlogs, hit that like button to let me know. Hit subscribe if you like my videos. And hit that bell notification to know when I upload. Okay everyone, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!